Hi everyone! Today we are going to unbox another parcel from Lazada. And it arrived yesterday, but we are going to open it today. So as you can see, as you notice, every time I have my LS, I experience a lot of audio errors, or there are some weird noises in my audio. That is because I stopped using this one. So I order, since it's used in our radio station, so I have to order another one. So this one is a little bit expensive because it is a Mackie headphone amplifier. This one is a little, this one is cheaper actually. This is very cheap and it only costs me 947. So let's try to check if it works well. If there's this one, you will never experience any humming in the sounds, and my sound is really clear, and my live stream is really the audio is really good, as you notice. I know. So this one is the Amp HA400 headphone amplifier in Mackie, and this one is the HA400. Let's try to check. By the way, who are you?
I'm Unicorn Jessie.
So we have another baby in our live stream. Here you go, this one. It says here, we hear you voice. A professional audio system series. A professional providing the best sound effect. Let's try if it really gives us the best sound effect.
Let's open the
more
box.
Than this. Let's try.
Let's open the box.
I don't know how to open it.
Nope, give me name. I know. Nope. This one. I think I don't know how to unbox it.
Cut. I'm having hard time. This is really professional. A professional way of packing. Okay. I'm so excited to use this tomorrow night. So I'm not going to borrow our radio station's headphone amplifier anymore because I have my own. I just hope that it works well. So what's inside is a small manual. What's inside is a small manual for the MicroAmp HA400. So we can see a lot of instructions here. It will be lined into our mixer. So you already know that I'm using mixer, a small one, during my live stream for my audio. So this is the MicroAmp HA400 of what's the brand of this one? There is no brand. This is how it looks. This is the new one that we bought, and then this is the old one that I'm always using. So HM4 of Mackie and MicroAmp HA400. Let's compare on our next vlog if how this works. If it's more and we have also the adapter in here. So what's inside is only this one and the adapter. Let's just hope. I'm so excited to use this.
Alright guys, so tonight we are going to check the headphone amplifier yung binili namin for live streaming and also for
Basta kung ginhawa ay makuha ulit. Ayan ang sensitive po ng ating mic. Oo nga, Ma'am Eliza, hindi na ako dinadalaw. Siguro very busy na po. May pacifier. Very busy na po sila. I think si Sir J po ay nagre-ready for his LS po. Babain na po natin lahat. Habol lang po sa mga naghahabol dyan. Pwede ko po bang suyuin si Ma'am Watchu and si Sir Mel na magbantay ng ating si Sir Don Alvesa na lang. Mabilis po siyang magbantay. Si Sir Don Alvesa na lang po ang magbabantay sa atin tonight. Ayan, bigyan ko na po ng jacket si Sir Don at si Ma'am Watcher back. Siguro, guys, okay na po ba tayo sa Switch Ninja every login or we have to be ready a week before para makapag-ready tayo ng maraming media? Okay na po ba tayo yun or next week natin yung switch na? Hello, Mr. Pet Studio. Hello po, Mr. Pet. Natin next week yung magiging palit ninjas every login. Let's try it po para hindi tayo mahuli or hindi naman tayo nahuhuli sa mga pa-try out ng ibang strategies. Okay? Thank you, Sir Don. At Ma'am Watcher back. Ikaw din po ha. Pagdating mo sa bahay mo, kain ka po muna and then help me bantay po ng ating mga bakas. Hi po, host. Mr. Pet Studio, hello po sa inyo. Hello po sa inyo. I hope that everyone is, nakapag-login na. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-login po at naka-attendance, attendance na tayo. Guys, as much as possible po, mga nilalapag ko po ay seconds video lang, ha?
okay sa babay, subscribe.
Hello everyone, I hope that you will subscribe to our channel, Rei Journey. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Click all po para subscribe all po kayo sa amin. At you will be notified with our lahat ng ating mga videos and coming live. At mayroon po tayong pa-perks. You have to click the subscribe and join button. Alright, so thank you so much po for watching my video unboxing. Thank you and goodbye. Mag-LS po tayo.